AirTalk Wireless is a major provider of lifeline and affordable connectivity program services, helping eligible low-income households stay connected with essential phone service. If your AirTalk Wireless phone needs to be replaced, there are 4 main qualifying situations that make you eligible for a replacement device. These 4 scenarios cover the most common situations where you would need a replacement phone. Whether your device is lost, stolen, damaged, or defective, AirTalk Wireless has policies in place to help you get back connected. To qualify for a replacement phone, you must meet specific eligibility requirements. First, you must be an active AirTalk Wireless subscriber participating in government assistance programs. AirTalk Wireless operates under both the Lifeline Assistance Program and the Affordable Connectivity Program. These federal programs provide discounted phone and internet services to eligible low-income households. Qualifying government assistance programs include SNAP food benefits, Medicaid health coverage, supplemental security income, and various other federal and state assistance programs. These are examples of the types of documentation that demonstrate your participation in qualifying assistance programs. SNAP benefits, Medicaid coverage, and supplemental security income are among the most common qualifying programs. Alternatively, you can qualify based on income if your household income is at or below 200% of the federal poverty guidelines, even without participating in assistance programs. This federal poverty level chart shows the income thresholds for different household sizes. The highlighted 200% level shows the maximum income to qualify for AirTalk Wireless services based on income alone. In addition to program participation or income eligibility, you must also provide valid identification and address verification to complete your replacement phone request. These requirements help ensure program integrity while maintaining accessibility for those who need assistance. The AirTalk Wireless replacement process involves several clear steps, specific timelines, and various cost considerations. Understanding this process will help you navigate your replacement request efficiently. To begin your replacement request, you have 3 convenient contact options. You can use the online portal, the mobile app, or call customer service directly. The replacement process follows 5 main steps. First, you make initial contact. Then you verify your account and provide documentation. Next, you select your replacement device. After that, processing takes 3 to 5 business days. Finally, shipping takes 7 to 10 business days. Here's a visual timeline showing the replacement process duration. After you submit your request, processing takes 3 to 5 business days. Once approved, shipping takes an additional 7 to 10 business days. The total time from request to receiving your device is typically 10 to 15 business days. Now let's examine the cost structure for replacement phones. Your first replacement within a 12-month period is typically free. However, subsequent replacements may cost between $25 and $75. If you need expedited shipping, there's an additional fee of $15 to $25. You can also purchase device insurance for $3 to $7 per month. Once you receive your replacement device, activation is simple. You can either activate it yourself using the self-service options or contact customer support for assistance. The AirTalk team is available to help ensure your new device is working properly and connected to your service.